Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to fix too many friends on Snapchat problem. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Snapchat app. Then right here hit at your profile picture or at your Bitmoji to move on to your Snapchat profile. In here, scroll down for a bit until you find My Friends. Just tap on that to get into it. That shows you the list of all your Snapchat friends. And now, in order to fix too many friends on Snapchat problem, all you have to do is just find some friend among that list, then hold down on that username to bring up their options, then hit on Manage Friendship, and next just hit Add Remove Friend to remove that person from your friends list. That's actually how you can solve that problem, because you need to remove some friend from your friends list to be able to add here someone if you have already a lot of friends at your friends list. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Snapchat tutorials playlist, where you will find another useful videos. You can easily find that playlist in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.